Howdy y'all, I'm Jordan Smith. I'm a design builder in Austin, Texas, but today I'm in Orlando, Florida at the IBS 2026, and this is a plungy pool, and we're installing one back in Austin. Let's check it out. So, plungy pool is a precast concrete pool. You've got these walls here with 8,000 PSI concrete. That's higher than shotcrete. And then you have number 4 rebar, so it's a full steel reinforced concrete shell. But because it's built in a factory, they're able to spot weld these together, so the cage is very, very strong. Now, because it's precast, that means the whole thing comes into you ready to install. We're actually installing one of these in the next few weeks. We are going to dig a hole, we're going to drop the pool in, we're going to connect the plumbing, connect the electrical, get it all grounded, and we're done. But because it's precast, there's only so big that we can get. We're actually getting the plungy max. That's the biggest one you can get, and it's 10 by 20 feet long. That sounds small until you see it in person. The depth is about 4 foot, around 4 foot 11 or so on the water line, which doesn't sound that deep until you see me standing in it. Now I'm 6'4". This is the wall here. So it's a legitimate pool. I mean, we're saying water line's about here, about nipple height on me, right? So I'm fully submerged. No, it's not going to be an 8-foot pool where I'm completely down. No, it's not going to be long enough for a lap pool, but it fits so many use cases where you want a pool and you have a small backyard and you're wanting to get it installed quickly. Price-wise, the pool itself, the shell and the equipment and everything is as cheap as you can get. I mean, not as cheap as you can get. You can go cheaper with fiberglass, but for a quality pool, concrete, solid pool, this is about as economical as you can get because it's all made in a factory. By the time you get it installed, especially if you're excavating and you have all of your trades showing up, I don't know whether it's significantly cheaper than if you did a shotcrete pool, but it is definitely significantly faster to install. We're going to come in, we're going to be able to place it, we're going to be able to plumb it and be out within just a few weeks. I mean, if it wasn't my first time doing it, I could probably do it faster. So time frame is definitely shorter. Cost, depending on what you get, I would say that for this quality, you're going to be spending more for a quality pool builder to give you a similar quality to this. But you could probably do a shotcrete pool cheaper depending on what part of the country you're in. But is it going to be the same? Over here, we've got our intakes, we've got our skimmer here, we've got the spa jet, so you can set this up and it can be actually like a little hot tub spa. In fact, the one that we're doing in Austin, we've got a heat pump on it, so we're able to raise the temperature 15 degrees above ambient, and we're able to cool the temperature 15 degrees below ambient. So it's able to act as a heated pool for a very small cost because it's not that big. They also have systems where you can just put a full out, like a hot tub heater on it, on their smaller ones, and actually get that temperature way up there. These are some of the different sizes: the original, the studio, and the arena, and then around the corner there, they have the max. Also around the corner, there's a bunch of connections I want to show you. Let's go around there. So over here is where all the connections happen. This is all pre-plumbed from the factory. So I've got my main return, I've got my safety suction, my skimmer suction. I have to hook all of that up to my pool equipment, and you can put your pool equipment up to 40 feet away. You hook all of that up and it's just a regular pool. Here's what is really cool that they've just started doing. This will act as a fire hydrant. So I can connect this goes down to the bottom of the pool. I can bring it up and have a fire hydrant that the fire department is able to utilize all of the thousands of gallons of water in this pool. They're able to pull out and start fighting fires on your property. This is really, really cool if you're living somewhere in a WUI area, you're living somewhere that has a far distance to the closest fire hydrant. Talk to your insurance too, because sometimes if you have your pool connected to a fire hydrant, your insurance will actually decrease because they feel like your house is better protected. So I really like that feature there. Stay tuned on my channel because I'm going to be documenting how the install actually goes. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you next time on The Build Show.